we are going to be having a look at the Tacklife Rotary Tool. So one thing I just want to say right off the bat is I grew up calling these rotary tools dremels. That's just what I'm used to. So if I say dremel in the video, just know that I mean rotary tool. So honestly, I'm very happy with this rotary tool. I've had it for a while, and in the course of just 1 week, I was able to use this for quite a few projects. I will talk more about these projects later on in the video. So this rotary tool comes with a really nice case. The end of the rotary tool comes off so you can actually install different attachments, which I really love, and I'll show you some of these later. You can also install a handle for projects that require maybe a little bit more pressure or precision. The kit also includes a snake. I don't really know what to call this. I'm just calling it a snake. This is for when you need to dremel at difficult angles. And then finally, the kit comes with a mini toolbox that contains all of the attachments. And really my only complaint about this whole kit is that there's not a better way to keep all of these attachments more organized. So after using this, I feel that the rotary tool itself is just as fast and just as powerful as any rotary tool I've used in the past. This includes the Dremel brand. The main advantage with this Tacklife kit is that it comes with so many attachments. It really makes it useful. I highly recommend this rotary tool, and I will post a link below. So I'll just say right off the bat, the next part of this video is going to be fairly long. It's just going to be video of me using the rotary tool so you can see a little bit about how it works. And in the video, I'll go into some of the details of how I did things and how well it worked out. Got my Dremel here. I'm gonna try to buff this out on the dash here. I bought this car used. Someone scratched this up. So first, I'm just gonna try it like this with nothing on it. See what happens. That actually did a pretty decent job. So now, I'm gonna try Mother's mag and aluminum polish. There's, yeah. There's definitely a difference. Nice, I can see it. Okay, I'm going to take one for the team, potentially. I've got a computer monitor that has some kind of dings in it. Let me show you. Let's turn this off, see if we can zoom in. All right, here we go. We got that. We got that. And we got that. So like I mentioned before in the video, I'm very happy with this rotary tool. I highly recommend it, and I have a link posted below. Wahoo!